feeling like crazy.
Used to rush through
like
life,
Kenny.
chasing the next milestone, not appreciating the present moment. Not living,
got one eye
actually
later.
living, but now I'm awake.
Right.
I'm conscious, I'm chasing literally everything. The small moments are the ones that matter most. First, I cherish my coffee this morning. No rush, no hurry. I tasted it, really tasted it, felt the one. I cherish my conversation with my daughter.
I ain't gonna hold you.
Laughing at her
I look like
jokes,
one
I
of
was
them
fully
niggas
present.
that
I'm mentally
get stranded on the
in
snowy
tomorrow.
mountains. This is the same type of jacket they wore. Same color and everything.
Oh Lord.
This breath, this conversation, this sunrise. Yesterday is a memory.
Yo, welcome to 2026, y'all.
My fingers are turning purple.
Yo, I ain't gonna hold you. This is a pussy ass storm. Let me start talking shit before that shit's happening.
My feet are gone.
My feet is gone. Like, ain't nothing out here, son.
Wait, what happened to the light?
What do you mean what happened to the light?
Where'd the light go?
You mean the street light?
The light sign is missing.
Horse? Come on.
No, nobody told you to say anything.
I didn't say anything wrong. I'm just saying this. I was so damn thick. And my destination is just a half a block away.
I'm fucking hot. But we had to go and get some water. The aftermath, as everybody thought it was going to be. But it is a lot of snow out here.